Cyviz enables operational efficiency by providing a centralized view and management of connectivity controllers. The status of the Easy controllers can be viewed on the map, either in a graphical form or in a table form, or in a list form. This list can be filtered based on a namespace or by the status of the controllers. This list right now shows all the USA controllers that are having errors. We can choose any of these controllers and jump directly to the dashboard of that given controller. In the dashboard, we can see the health status and more detailed system statuses. We can also view the logs that are being updated live. Or we can jump directly to the dashboard screen of the controller and view their status there. We also have an option to pull all the logs in case you require supports from Cyviz. You can then pull these logs and send them to us. This also helps users set up remotely their rooms and adjust their equipment right away. Cyviz provides a central update tool to update controllers remotely. A user can choose a namespace for a particular controller and choose an MSF file that you got from Cyviz and select a date and type based on which the rooms will operate themselves. Cyviz provides a centralized view of all AV equipment which is in your system. The screen right now shows all the projectors with highlighted errors. You can click on any of the devices to see further detailed data. Cyviz also provides a repository for settings which are in different rooms. For example, you can select a device, here a codec, and you can select a setting username or password. You can centrally update this password for the codec remotely directly from the Cyviz Easy Server.